Good morning, guys. It's pretty early. Just woke up and letting Brian sleep in. So here's the blizzard. Fair amount of snow. And they say it's still supposed to keep coming down like all day, so we'll see. Good morning. Somebody slept good last night, huh? He only woke up once. Yeah. Are you excited to play? Are you excited to play? Oh my goodness. What you got? You find the toy box? Hello, good morning, guys. Look at this snow. It's insane. It's pretty thick. People are starting to come out and shovel their sidewalks, so Brian went out there too. Every time I try and film Brian shoveling the sidewalk, he gets behind this pole. He did that last time too. Yep. But look how sweet he is doing all that work on his day off. Just to brag on him a little bit. Pretty awesome. We're very lucky, aren't we, Jude? Got a good daddy, huh? Yeah, you know it too. He's a daddy's boy. I don't know if that's a thing, but he's definitely not a mama's boy. He's a daddy's boy. I was hoping for a mama's boy. Huh? Huh? You want the camera? Guys, there are people out there helping. Every time, I love this neighborhood. Every time it snows, some people come and help us do our lawn. It's like people make it a family affair or something, which is awesome. And they just all come out with their shovels. And yeah, they start shoveling and then they go and help the neighbors. It's awesome. We don't have a second shovel. Haha. But yeah, it sounds like it'd be fun. I think I'm gonna bake them the leftover cookies that we have and hope that they will get done in time and then go out and give it to them to thank them for helping. Let's see if we have, how many we have. I think there's 4 people out there helping. 6 cookies. Perfect. Yeah. Hope Brian won't mind that I give away. Jude. He's putting his finger over the lens. I hope Brian won't mind that I'm going to give away his cookies. I have a feeling he will not care. All right, I'm gonna go make some cookies. So there's 6 of them, so that's perfect because I'm baking 6 cookies and it has 6 minutes left. All right. We just have the best neighbors. I just can't even believe how nice they are. People are always coming over and helping us out. I don't know, we're just very grateful to live in such a good neighborhood. And I feel like, I don't know, sometimes I get kind of disappointed in the world because I'm a bit negative. I'm kind of a negative Nancy sometimes. No offense, Nancy. But I don't know. It's like people are always there for us. I don't know why I feel negative because everybody that we know is always willing to help out. We're just very grateful.
We're making snowmen.
What do you think, Jude? He's strapped to Daddy. Short sleeves. Just realized that, you fool. You fool. We're gonna make snowmen. Here's our giant igloo. Brian will work on that later, probably. And I think I'm gonna make our snow people right here. Let's see.
Jude's not happy about this, but we're making snowmen right now, so.
We're making snowmen?
Well, I'm holding the baby.
I'm making snowmen. We're doing pretty good.
That's probably big enough for a baby snowman.
Almost.
He's just not liking anything that we're doing, so.
One piece down?
Put him in the middle. Like we care about them. Yeah. Yeah.
Our little snow family. There I am. There's Brian. And there's baby Jude with his pacifier. What do you think? Hey guys, we're on our way to Walmart and we stopped at Freddy's.
For those of you that don't know, Nebraska has 2 separate custard fast food restaurants, Culver's and Freddy's. So
We're Freddy's fans. No offense to Culver's. I mean, I haven't even tried most of their stuff. But their Freddy's turtle, oh, it's delicious. Yeah, we thought we'd go get ice cream in the blizzard. Because I don't know, we're morons or something. Yum!
nobody's out. No
Yeah.
traffic.
It's pretty nice out actually, although it's starting to sleet. So there's that.
Gonna use our gift cards maybe. We're looking for supplies for our vlogging experience.
Yep. The blizzard field. Brian says it looks like the Arctic. It's starting to come down again.
Yep. Nice beats.
Yep. So we just got back from Walmart. We had a gift card and it fell down somewhere, so we were in there for quite a while trying to find it. But nope, didn't turn out. So we just lost 25 bucks. And we're headed home. Kind of just gonna make some, what do we call it, vegetarian chili? Vegan chili or something like that. Something to warm us up a little bit. I bet you'd go right. What do you think?
No.
I think you should go right. That's the way home, toward home. Hey, any chance we shouldn't be out on the road right now? Look at this. What have we done?
This wasn't my idea.
Lost in the blizzard. We're lost in the blizzard. We know where we are now, finally. We just got back on a road where we know. So yeah, let's head on home. Our snowmen, they're already ruined. I guess that means we must not have made them that well. I'm gonna have to come back. I'm gonna have to come back and fix it later. Here's Brian's igloo. Doing pretty good. So they're cracking out batter. Boo! Mug of dares, mug of dares.
Peanut butter and mayonnaise hair treatment.
Oh, I wrote that one. Yeah, I did.
That doesn't sound that bad.
All right, let's do it. All right, we're gonna peanut butter and mayonnaise Brian's head. Give you a nice, oh, it's all runny because it's natural peanut butter. Should I stir first?
Probably.
Probably should stir first. Are you excited?
I mean, I do like getting my hair
That's true.
messed with.
All right. We get this
Kind of
good.
these flavors mix.
Oh yeah, that's the stuff right there.
That's heavy.
Nope. It's peanut butter.
That's sliding.
Probably should not have used the thing to catch it.
Oh gosh.
Alright, let's give it a shot. Now here's the real problem is I have to stick my fingers in this for this one. Ah, it's cold.
It's cold. It's really cold.
Ooh. It's the new thing. Kenny Salon.
Ah, it's on my shirt.
Yep, oh, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. How's it feel?
It just feels like a thick, I don't know, it feels thick.
So it's not as bad as you thought?
Well, it was colder than I thought.
Oh, we missed a spot. Gotta get all of it.
Oh, now I smell the peanut butter.
That's not so bad, right?
Ugh.
Oh, like a clump of mayonnaise behind his ear.
Yeah. I call not cleaning the chair. Or the floor.
That's not fair. Wait, what do you think? Feel good? I styled your hair. That's beautiful.
I mean, it feels nice when it's warm. I don't think it was a bad experience.
No, these stairs are horrible.
What does that mean?
They're just not bad enough. We're just like, it wasn't so bad. Alright, well that is our vlog for the night. We're gonna go up and get ready for bed. See you tomorrow.